Something that's really interesting to me is that you can sometimes observe in nature two organisms that, to you, look exactly the same. However, if you compared their genomes, you would discover they are actually not the same species. We are investigating if two Madagascar birds that look the same are the same species. Preliminary analysis with a smaller data set suggests that they are not. We are now doing the same analysis again with a larger data set to see if we get the same results. One thing that surprised me was how much what I'm doing with this research relates to some of the classwork that I've done during the semester. A lot of the concepts that I learned in, for example, genetics, directly apply to this kind of research. In fact, I would even say that taking classes like genetics provided the biological context that I need to do this type of bioinformatics research. Something that I think this kind of research experience provides is the unpredictable nature of working with bioinformatics pipelines. I feel like oftentimes things don't work the way expected, and sometimes you have to scrap what you're doing and try something else entirely. And I feel like that kind of troubleshooting is something that, since I participated in undergraduate research like this, I will have, whereas lots of other undergraduates who don't have this experience won't. And I feel like that gives me a leg up. I really enjoy participating in SURE. It's a nice change of pace from the normal classwork during the semester. I also feel very fortunate to be able to participate in undergraduate research. I know that a lot of students do not have that opportunity. I think it prepares me for a future, whether that's in industry or in graduate school.